As a small business owner, it can be really frustrating when you use a selling platform that takes fees for every sale, but this is where Tedooo comes in. Tedooo is a platform that was created especially for those creators and sellers and small business owners, and you can set up your very own online store. And probably one of the coolest things about Tedooo is, unlike Etsy, they will not charge you fees when you sell something. Like, how cool is that? It's really easy to get up and running on the app. All you need to do is go to the App Store and search for Tedooo, and then download and install the app. Once you've downloaded the app, you can get to work by adding your business details, your business logo, and then just wait for your store to get verified. But don't worry, this doesn't take very long, it's just to make sure that what you're selling is actually, okay. And once you've been accepted, you can get to add in your products, prices, photos, and then launch your store. As well as Tedooo offering 0% fees to the sellers, they also offer a place to socialise so you can speak to fellow small business owners and creatives about DIY, crafts, business advice, whatever it may be. You can be anywhere in the world and still download Tedooo and use it. The app itself is really easy to use, and it's a great way to network with fellow creatives and small business owners. So what are you waiting for? Head over to my bio where I've linked the app and download it for yourself and see what it's about.